we are going to review yung mga bagong produkto ni BYS. Hindi sa peptide lip tint nila, si Pink Ribbon, si Hot Chocolate, tsaka si Coral Kiss. So, ito yung sinasabi nila na we'll try the Pink Ribbon. Giving me Hailey Bieber lips with this one. Although 3 shades yung available nila and I like it with this. Parang nilagayan nila, it's very Hailey Bieber. It's very Hailey Bieber itong packaging nila. I like it, super Chuchu Beauty. Nagganito na rin sila with their lip products. Tapos may mga sumunod pa. Also, Happy Skin, may ganito na. Puso ito sa mga makeup companies na yan. Ito yung swatches nila. This is the Ultra Bomb, Mango Tango, Dragon Fruit Dream, Strawberry Sass, Coconut Craze, and Candyland. Tapos ito sa Plumpit, Berry Babe, Coconut Kiss, and Peach Perfection. I think I'm gonna use this one. See, Strawberry. Okay. Actually, this one may scrub siya. Tapos, pagawin natin ang Berry Babe. Very glossy yung type niya, but I super duper love yung mga ganitong ano nila, paparazzi. Yung ganitong may pa-keychain nila with this one. Ayan no. Ayan. May pa-keychain sila, different colors. I super duper love it. I love how BYS formulates with this one. Yung shade nila, so sa Butter Bomb, this is Papaya Coral, Watermelon Pink, and Grape Clear. May fruity scent siya. Then the peptide, Sheer Pink, Cherry Kiss, and Clear Glaze. So, let's try Watermelon Pink. Ito, very lip peptide yung. Ito yung parang Laneige yung feels. Then we're gonna put the Cherry Kiss. Ito tinted lip treatment na siya with this one. Tsaka maganda yung pagka-peptide niya on my lips. Hindi natin makakalimutan, ito yung puso ngayon, yung parang lip pads ang tawag dito, BYS. So, ito yung first 2 shades. Itong shade na ito, Salsa. The first one, Salsa and Creamy Brulee. Tapos, it has 3 variants. It has 3 variants with this one. The second variant is swatch natin siya. So, this is Rosewood. Ayan, Rosewood. Then, the next one is, this is Bare Beauty.
Parang velvet pa rin. Super matte.
Bare Beauty.
Matte na matte.
And the reds, this is Very Sweet. Then, hira pa. Cherry Now. I think gagamitin ko is the first one. Kasi alam ko matte to. Mix natin si Salsa. Okay. This is more on a tint finish. As napansin ko. Then, okay, pag ginamit ito pareho guys, this is a travel friendly. Pag ginamit ito pareho, mag-magaan siya with the lip combo. So, all of these, so ayan, final review ko dito. Lahat ng mga lip products, especially ito, pang Hailey Bieber ito, pang Rhode, and this one, I like how they formulate different colors or shades ng BYS lip products na bagong release nila. So, that's it for my review ng BYS lip products na bagong release. Yun lang.